Welcome back to our channel. Today, we delve into one of the most intriguing and talked about figures in Islamic eschatology, Dajjal, also known as the Antichrist. Stay tuned to uncover the mystery behind this apocalyptic figure. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the concept of Dajjal in Islamic belief. The Dajjal is a central figure in Islamic eschatology, comparable to the Antichrist in Christian tradition. So, who is Dajjal, and what does his emergence signify for the world? The word Dajjal comes from Arabic, meaning deceiver or impostor. According to Islamic tradition, Dajjal will appear near the end of times as a false messiah, spreading chaos and misguidance. Let's dive into some of the key characteristics and events associated with Dajjal. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, provided several descriptions of Dajjal in various hadiths. Dajjal is described as blind in one eye, with the other eye protruding like a grape. He will have the word kafir, meaning disbeliever, written on his forehead, which only true believers will be able to read. He will perform extraordinary miracles, such as bringing the dead back to life and providing sustenance, to deceive people into believing he is divine. One of the most significant aspects of Dajjal's appearance is the chaos and destruction he will bring. It's said that he will travel the world rapidly, spreading corruption and falsehood. He will gather a large following, particularly among those who are weak in faith. However, there will be strong opposition to him as well. In Islamic tradition, the Mahdi, a rightly guided leader, and Jesus, peace be upon him, will play crucial roles in countering Dajjal. It's believed that Jesus will descend from the heavens, confront Dajjal, and ultimately defeat him, restoring peace and justice to the world. The defeat of Dajjal marks the beginning of a new era of peace, harmony, and true faith. The story of Dajjal serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of faith, vigilance, and staying true to one's beliefs, even in the face of overwhelming deception and trials. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into fascinating topics. And let us know in the comments what other subjects you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.